Mama me crazy and them. Trent, Taylor, Talia and them. Don't me crazy. We living life in these YouTube streets. Ain't no time for us to sleep, cause the family gotta eat. We stay on the hustle, flexing a creative muscle. Praying to the Lord.
You can't make them love you. You can't make them trust you. You can't make them respect you. But what you can do is love yourself. Trust yourself. Have respect for yourself. Because once you learn to love yourself, to trust yourself, and to have respect for yourself, you will not allow anyone in your presence that doesn't respect you, love you, or trust you. Know your worth. Know you are worth having. You are worth having as a friend. You are worth having as a spouse. You are worth having as an employee. You are worth having as an employer. Know your worth. Know who you are and stand firm in who you are.
Don't make crazy, mama make crazy and them. Don't make crazy, mama make crazy and them. Don't make crazy, mama make crazy and them. Trent, Taylor, Talia and them. Don't make crazy, mama make crazy and them. Don't make crazy, mama make crazy and them. Don't make crazy, mama make crazy and them. Trent, Taylor, Talia and them. We living life in these YouTube streets. Ain't no time for us to sleep, cause the family gotta eat. We stay on the hustle, flexing a creative muscle, praying to the Lord that our soul he keep. God give us the strength, cause we got goals to reach. We know if it's money that we want, that you the one we should see. And we ain't trying to be greedy, trying to pay these bills. We got Trent, Taylor, Talia, and Neil. This energy, day and night, living this big crazy life. This energy, day and night, living this big crazy life. Don't make crazy, mama make crazy and Neil. Don't make crazy, mama make crazy and Neil. Don't make crazy, mama make crazy and Neil. Trent, Taylor, Talia, and Neil. Don't make crazy, mama make crazy and Neil. Don't make crazy, mama make crazy and Neil. Don't make crazy, mama make crazy and Neil. Trent, Taylor, Talia, and Neil. Don't make crazies. Don't make crazies. Don't make crazies. Don't make crazies.
If you've made it this far, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below so we know you were here. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please check out some more of our content. If you like us, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much, family, for watching. Stay tuned for today's member shout out and post notification bell shout out. My members are Beauty and Beast Journey, Minister of Music Terrence Trower, Creatively Created Crochet, and Journey with KEE-KEE. I truly appreciate all of you guys. If y'all don't know them, please go ahead and check them out. And today's post notification bell shout out goes to Just Vlogging Live. Yeah, we love Just Vlogging Live. They have some amazing vlogs over there. Go ahead and check them out and tell them Mama McCrazies and them sent you. Thank you, Just Vlogging Live, for leaving us a genuine comment.